6.2 magnitude earthquake rumbles near coast of Ecuador. No injuries or damage reported. A strong 6.2 magnitude earthquake was reported off the coast of Ecuador early Sunday, but there were no immediate reports of damage or injuries. The United States Geological Survey said the tremor occurred around 3 a.m. ET, about 16 miles north of Santa Elena along the coast. The quake struck at a depth of about 11 miles. According to the agency, the European Mediterranean Seismological Center reported that there were also numerous aftershocks following the initial quake. Ecuador lies along the Pacific so-called Ring of Fire, a 25,000-mile horseshoe-shaped ring, accounting for approximately 90% of the world's earthquakes. According to the USGS, the region also contains 452 volcanoes, more than 75% of the world's active and dormant volcanoes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.